What's up? It's your girl, Jay Hendy, with another new video, and for this video, I'm going to be doing a room tour, but before I start, I just want to tell you guys that if you hear any weird noise, I think it's because of, people doing the leaves out there, and so if you hear the leaf blower throughout the entire video, I'm sorry. So, yeah, and another thing I would like to apologize for is the lighting. I know the lighting is kind of like awkward, but And also just a disclaimer, I'm not bragging in any way, shape, or form. I'm really grateful for the things that I have in here, and yeah, I'm just really happy that I'm doing this video, and I tried to find time to film this video as well, and so I just thought this would be the perfect time to do a room tour. And yeah, enough with me talking. I'm just gonna show you guys my room. Okay, so this is what the doors look like before you walk in. So I have French doors because my room is a sunroom, and so usually a sunroom would have 2 doors, so these are what the doors look like. So yeah, and now we are going to walk into my room. Okay, so I'm about to open the door, but before I do, I just want to tell you guys that I'm going to show you guys my room like all around, and then show you guys, like different sides of the room, if that makes any sense. I'm sure you'll probably get it later, but yeah, so now I am going to open the door. So I'm just going to show you guys like all around first. Okay, so before I show you guys the rest of my room, I just want to show you guys my curtains for my doors. So these are what they look like, and they are linen white, and they're actually blackout curtains, which works perfectly because sometimes I like to have my privacy whenever I'm sleeping and when I'm filming a video. So these curtains are actually perfect for my room. So we're gonna start on this side of the room. So over here we have my chair, and it's from IKEA, and it's charcoal gray, and it matches the wall up here. And funny story, actually, I was filming one of my videos and I literally realized that my chair matched the wall, and I literally didn't realize it until like I saw myself on camera. So I just think that's kind of crazy. And over here I have a dog calendar that I got for Christmas last year, and I just think that's really cool, and I think that dog kind of looks like Gordy, which I think is really funny. So yeah. Over here in the corner I have a purple chess, or whatever you call it, but I got it for my 17th birthday last year, and I just really wanted it so bad, just for like storage purposes. And so that's just really cool to have, and I just shove a bunch of stuff in there for like no reason, but I'm just really glad to have that. Over here I just have this weird looking table. I don't really know what it's called, but I usually put that in front of my chair whenever I'm like eating or whatever, and I just think that's kind of useful. I know it may be weird to have something like this in my room, but I just feel like it's kind of useful, and yeah. Over here I have my vanity, and I have some of my cheerleading trophies there, some perfume, I have gum, hair vitamins, and a cowbell, and yeah, so this is what my vanity looks like, and I've had it for like maybe 2 years or so, but I got it for Christmas when I was 16 because I really wanted it for my room, and I just think it's like really cool to like get ready and whatnot, and yeah. Over here I have my rectangular mirror and I see myself, so hey guys. So I have this rectangular mirror here just for like checking out my outfit and whatnot. Literally, my sister kind of comes in here and just to like check out her outfit, and I think it's kind of crazy, but you know, like she has to do what she has to do. And just having this mirror is really cool, and I see a lot of people, you know, posting mirror pics with like their outfits and stuff, so I just think this is really cool to have. Over here I have my dresser, and it just has, you know, just pictures of me and my dog, my cousins and I from the beach, my friend and I from a concert, and just me with my other friends, and my cheerleading picture from this year, which came out perfect. And then I have like this thing right here, I don't really know what it's called, but I just thought that would look really cool in my room. And also this dog statue, I saw this in I think Home Goods, and you know, it just really stood out to me and I really wanted it so bad, so I'm really glad that I have that. And I also have my laptop here and some seashells over there from the beach and a watermelon that I made freshman year, so that's that. And then over here, this is what my dresser looks like, and my dresser is from IKEA. And yeah, so in that drawer I just keep all my sweatshirts in there, and then in that drawer I just keep like my leggings in there, and then in that drawer I just keep some of my sweatshirts in there, and then in that drawer I just keep some of my pajamas in there, and yeah. Up here I just have some of my cheer bows up here. I know, like, I have a lot, but you know, every cheerleader has a lot of bows, and yeah, so these are all my cheer bows. Okay, so this is my bed, and my bedding I think is from Wayfair. I don't really know exactly, but it goes perfectly with the color of my wall. And so this is my bed, and I just have a bunch of blankets right there. And then over here I just have an emoji pillow, a subscribe pillow, and an ice cream pillow, and a dog. And then over here there are just more stuffed animals as usual. And then up here I have a YouTube pillow and cat dog. I think I've had that cat dog toy for like a while now, and I just think it's so iconic that I have it. And yeah, I know it may be weird that I have stuffed animals, but I'm sure like every girl has stuffed animals that they've kept throughout their childhood, and I'm really happy that I kept mine throughout my childhood. I just think they're just like great to have. And yeah. Up here I just have like a dog that I painted like a while ago, and I just thought it'd be really cool just to like hang up, because I was looking through my basement one day and I just saw that and I'm like, that'd be really cool to like hang up, so I just have that up there. So over here I just have my TV and my laptop chargers right there, because I just think maybe it'd be a good place to keep it because I lose it all the time. So here I have a smart TV, and fun fact, I actually watched a movie on this TV for the first time last week, so that was really cool. And up here I just have my light, and then up here I just have my lamp, and then over here I just have my heater because it's been getting really cold in my room, especially with winter coming. And then down here I just have my shoes, and then over here I just have my backpack, and yeah. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'm just really happy that I got to do a room tour for you guys. I'm just really happy that I got to do this, and I really hope you enjoyed just getting to see my room. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit those notifications as well, so that way you will never miss out on any of my videos. And follow me on my social media, which will be down below. And I guess that's pretty much all I have to say here. I really hope you enjoyed just getting to see my room. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Peace!